Unix UA is the only place that these files can be edited. I can go into ways if you guys want. If I go more. So that's what the exact same thing. Here you have the option. I'll use the option to edit whatever. You can also add rows. So let's say when a singular row was missing, you could add it with this little plus. Or if you needed to delete a row, you can check it and then delete selected rows. Cool. Other than that, again, the exact same. You can have similar questions.